Does your life feel like a grind? Are you feeling uninspired, unmotivated, and bored? I mean, let's face it, life feels boring sometimes. You go to work, you get home, eat and watch Netflix or play a game, and then tomorrow comes around again, and the cycle repeats itself. Just another mundane day slips away into nothingness under your own nose. You're just there, stuck. It's like you're an NPC wandering through someone else's heroic journey, and every day is kind of just happening to you instead of being some engaging adventure that you're making happen for yourself. Well, let me show you how to embark and succeed on your own hero's journey. The Path of Heroes Academy is an innovative, rapid personal growth course that brings together personality type and neuroscience with real-life and in-game RPG missions to help you discover the strengths of your real-life character class, improve your relationships with others, and transform your life. My mission is to help you unleash your true potential by helping you understand how you're wired, what really motivates you, and how to use that knowledge to take control over your life and to achieve more of what makes you happy. So if you're ready to embrace your inner hero and learn some life-altering skills, join us at Path of Heroes Academy. Click down below to find out how. See you there.